Okay, so I'm doing TikToks that I found actually. Okay, so first they have like squishies. So they have like a cupcake, another cupcake. Normally they have like different varieties, but all I see right now is like cupcakes. And then I've never seen this here. I don't think they have goofy, gooey, putty stuff. So, and then I've seen this here. Flower. Oh wait, actually I haven't seen this one. They have 2 different colors. That's really cool. They have cosmic sand, so basically kinetic sand. I've never seen that here either. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then they have more goofy, gooey, except in different container. And then glitter, gooey, gooey. So they also have slinkies in different forms too, apparently. They have stress balls, Orby ones. So that's really cool. They have this air play stuff. They have Play-Doh, 2 different colors. Wow, they're really stepping up their game here. More Play-Doh, Nickelodeon slime. That's a pretty color. They have these foam dice, but they're not really fidgets. Hello to my feet. Okay, so then I have this. More of these. They have a lot of dice. Oh, they have these sets of Play-Doh too. They have like footballs and foam balls. But again, I wouldn't count these as fidgets. More slime, goo stuff. They also have different colors. So like, ooh, and then they have these ones. Oh, wait, do these ones have Orbeez? I cannot tell. They have pop tubes. Lots of them. Oh my gosh, they have poppets. I've seen videos about these, but I can never like actually find poppets. And it's teal. It's adorable. Let's try the other side. Wow, okay. And then they have noodles. Fidget noodles. Lots of them. And then they have zippy bracelets. Wow, they're really stepping up their game, especially with fidgets. More Play-Doh. Oh, they have more different kinds of noodles. These ones are open. They're supposed to be. So that's cool. More slime and more. And I think that's all. So I'm gonna carry this with me. I didn't even try to. I just slid that on there when I was walking past. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, mostly this is their fidget rack. So if you're here, look for this fidget rack because they have poppets, noodles, zippy bracelets, pop tube, squishies, everything. They also have mochis. This one, they have this one. I think it's a hedgehog. They have that one like I showed you, and then they have elephant ones. And then they have a panda. That's cool, okay. Oh, and then they have this one. Oh, it's a 2-pack. And then they have mystery things. But I don't know if they're fidgets. Anyways, yeah. They have other. Yeah, so they also have 2 packs. Oh, there's a frog guy.